Hi, welcome to Gadgets 360. Today we're unboxing Lenovo's new flagship 2-in-1, the Yoga 920. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Gadgets 360 and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. The Yoga 920 was first unveiled at IFA 2017 and now it's launched in India. Let's take a look at it inside the box. So this looks like a pretty fancy box. You open these two flaps and the laptop itself rises up on this platform. Right on top we've got a leaflet which shows off the winner of Lenovo's design contest. Now this is the Vibes Special Edition of the Yoga 920, which has a different pattern. And let's just take a look at that right now. So inside this protective sleeve, we have the Yoga 920 itself, and this is the special edition cover. The Yoga 920 is otherwise available in a choice of solid metallic colors. According to Lenovo, this Vibes pattern is meant to communicate lightness and dynamism, but it's up to you whether you prefer this or a simple solid color. Let's put this aside for now and take a look at the rest of the box contents. So under this flap there are two smaller cardboard boxes. And inside the first box is the relatively compact 65-watt charger. You can see 65 watt written on it prominently right there. And there's also a little bit of literature, warranty support information, and a quick setup guide. Inside the larger box, we have an AC cable for the charger. And Lenovo's Active Stylus 2. So there's one single little battery and a retention clip which actually goes into the USB port on the side of the Yoga 920 so that you can slip the pen into it. And here we have the stylus itself. The Yoga 920 is meant to be a thin and light 2-in-1. The first thing to notice about it is Lenovo's iconic watch strap hinge, which has been around since the Yoga 900. This lets the hinge stay open at pretty much any angle.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
This is Lenovo's Active Stylus 2 and it needs one battery. In the box you'll find one quadruple A battery and you just unscrew the top and slide that in. After that, you can just use it anywhere, including the Windows Ink panel. The Yoga 920 has a 13.9-inch IPS LCD screen with extremely narrow borders. This unit has an Ultra HD screen with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, but Full HD versions are also available. On the right side, there's one standard USB 3 port and the power button so that it's accessible whether you're using the Yoga 920 as a tablet or as a laptop. On the left, there are two Thunderbolt 3 ports which double as USB Type-C ports, as well as one 3.5mm audio socket. Only one of these Type-C ports can be used to charge the laptop with its bundled charger. There's a full-sized backlit keyboard and a trackpad, as well as a fingerprint sensor that works with Windows Hello for authentication. The Yoga 920 uses Intel's latest 8th generation Core CPUs. Our test unit has a quad-core Core i7-8550U, which runs at 1.8 GHz. It also has 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD. The Yoga 920 is made entirely of metal with a glass lid and weighs 1.37 kilos. Battery life is supposed to be over 15 hours for the version with a full HD screen and just over 10 hours for the version with the UHD screen. This was our unboxing and quick first look at the Lenovo Yoga 920. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for our full review coming up soon, in which we'll discuss the performance, battery life and all other aspects of this laptop.